Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa has today refused to give any interim relief to Raymond Fernandes, the son of Goa's Deputy Speaker Isidore Fernandes, who had submitted a false, fabricated and fake BA degree in his attempt to get Awal Karkun's post at the North Goa Collectorate. He had moved the High Court, but the High Court today has refused to give him any interim relief, and the Honorable High Court has said in its order that the degree submitted by Raymond Fernandes, the son of Deputy Speaker Isidore Fernandes, is from a university that is not recognized by the University Grants Commission. Raymond Fernandes was one of the 16 selected earlier in January this year for the post of Awal Karkun. So the North Goa Collectorate, after my complaint to the Honorable Chief Secretary, had directed the Goa University to ascertain whether the BA degree submitted by Raymond Fernandes was genuine. The registrar of the Goa University, in his reply to the North Goa Collector, clearly stated that the BA degree submitted by Isidore Fernandes' son Raymond from a Lucknow-based university was a fake university.